Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Renee Roxanne. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get these wicked bloody plum nails. If you want to see how we get to the final look, stay tuned and let's get right into this video. So the last set we did was this fall yellow dip powder. So what we're going to do is take our Essie nail polish in 352 Wicked and we are painting right over that yellow dip powder. You can file down your nails first if you would like for it to not be so glossy, and it also helps the nail polish adhere and last a lot longer, but that's totally up to you. So I'm taking the nail polish and making fine strokes onto the nail, making them thin and nice so that the nail bed does not flood. And don't forget to cap the tips of your nails as well, just so that yellow doesn't peek through. So you can continue to apply a couple coats just so that it has a nice flat base. You can definitely go over with more than one coat, but because we have the yellow underneath, it's going to give that cool marbled effect, and also it's going to give that bloody tone look. So it's going to look like my nails are bleeding. If I were to make this 2 coats, then it would become a very dark plum. And I believe 3 coats, it would give it like the deep black plum color. The nails are looking so good so far. I am quite impressed with this color, even though it's not even gel. You can definitely apply as many coats as you'd like, but this looks perfect. Want to grab a toothpick and clean up those messy areas so that the nails look clean and seamless. So you can see I flooded this nail bed right here, so I'm just cleaning that area up with the toothpick. And then this is just a little hand dryer from Dollar Tree, and then I'm grabbing my acetone and a little brush to clean up any of the purple mess that's on the side of my fingers. And just like that, we are complete with our wicked Halloween nails. It is giving bloody and spooky. It looks even more beautiful when you apply more coats, but I really love this nail polish. Thank you all for watching this video, and you will see me in the next one. Happy Halloween!